Is your BMW X5 alarm going off randomly? The most common culprits are the tilt sensor, bonnet switch, and siren battery. The tilt sensor detects vehicle movement and can be overly sensitive. The bonnet switch monitors if the hood is properly latched. Corrosion or misalignment can cause false alarms. The siren has its own battery, which can drain, leading to malfunctions. To diagnose, first, try recalibrating the tilt sensor via the key fob or iDrive. Next, inspect the bonnet switch for loose connections or corrosion. If the siren sounds weak or not at all, the battery likely needs replacement. Use an OBD2 scanner to check for error codes like B1220 for sensor faults to help pinpoint the issue. Remember to disconnect the car battery before doing any repairs to prevent electrical shock. For a sensitive tilt sensor, recalibrate it via the iDrive menu or key fob sequence. Check your owner's manual for the specific steps. If the bonnet switch is the issue, clean any corrosion and apply dielectric grease. If it's faulty, replacement switches cost around $50 to $100. Siren batteries often need replacement. Use OEM equivalents to ensure compatibility, and lithium-ion versions are available to improve battery life. For DIY repairs, a user in a YouTube video fixed the issue by cleaning contacts on the bonnet switch and applying dielectric grease, saving $200 in dealer costs. If the problem persists or involves complex wiring, consult a BMW certified mechanic. Note that software updates released by BMW in 2024 and 2025 can improve diagnostic capabilities and reduce false alarms. Check if your model is eligible.